To start healing your mind, your goal is to slow down your thoughts. You have to slow down the pace of the thoughts to be able to start to control your thoughts and direct them. All right. This is what I personally experienced in my life. I had racing thoughts the majority of my life, and it was as if I was in defense against these thoughts all the time. I didn't know what to do. Okay. So I would just react to the thoughts and try to keep going. I didn't realize a lot of these thoughts were in fact not me, and that I didn't need to pay attention to them. They were just thoughts, okay? And I had basically felt like I was stuck in this hyperactive state reacting to these intrusive thoughts. So what did I do? What helped me the most was going ahead and doing slow, deep breathing and meditation, and exercise, and stretching, and getting time out in nature, and listening to healing music, and going that direction. All of those things helped to slow my mind down so I could gain control of the momentum of the thoughts in my mind. Sometimes they went into dark places. And if I didn't know how to slow my mind down, they would keep going further into that dark place, into those negative thoughts. So for tools that I would recommend, the first would be slow, deep breathing through your nostrils, in and out, only through your nostrils, as slow as you can. One breath, you want to have the goal of taking anywhere from 15 seconds to 40 seconds with one breath. You're trying to calm your brain down. You're trying to slow everything down. If you want to heal from mental health issues, chronic health issues, nervous system dysregulation, anxiety, intrusive thoughts, everything in your life has to be slowed down. You cannot feel like you're in a rush. You cannot feel like your thoughts are coming at you fast or you are losing the battle. The key barometer of if you are making progress with your mental health or with your nervous system issues is how fast are your thoughts coming in? Are they coming in like this, or are they coming in like this? You know, which one is it? All right. If they're coming in like this super fast and they're talking like this, then we have a problem. Okay. And this is going to be pressure. This is going to be anxiety over the long term. It's going to be draining. It's going to drain your body. So slow down your thoughts with some slow, deep breathing. Start having some faith that things are going to work out for you. You don't have to think ahead for things to work out for you. You could focus specifically on the moment and know that no matter what, you're going to be able to know what to do in that moment, because you'll be guided. Your intuition will show you, and you trust your intuition. You don't need to trust these fearful thoughts ahead of time. So thanks for watching. Slow down everything you're doing if you want to heal. That's the real recipe for healing. You can't heal in a hypervigilant state. It is not possible. Thanks for watching. Go to my website, endsickness.org, to learn more about me and what we do as a nonprofit organization. Take care.